If you're experiencing low performance in Elden Ring, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for Elden Ring. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Launch the game and navigate to the graphics settings. Lower the resolution, reduce texture quality, and disable or lower effects such as shadows and anti-aliasing to improve performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help the game run more smoothly. Step 5. Optimize power settings. Adjust your computer's power settings to prioritize performance. On Windows, go to Control Panel Hardware and Sound Power options, and select the High Performance plan to ensure your system is running at its best. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in Elden Ring's performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.